Welcome students. Today we will learn a new chapter from your English 2 textbook, chapter 24, A, N and DA. A, N and DA are the articles. An article is a word that is used with a noun to specify grammatical definiteness of the noun. In this chapter, we will learn the uses of a, an and DA. Firstly, let us learn the uses of a and an. To discuss the first point, let us go through this example. The first line, a girl and a boy were standing there. The second line, the girl was smart and the boy was courageous. Now observe both the sentences. In the first sentence, we are talking about the boy and the girl for the first time. We don't know them. And in the second sentence, we know whom are we talking about. That is, that particular girl and that particular boy. In the first sentence, we are using a girl, a boy. And in the second sentence, we are using the girl, the boy. Therefore, we get our first point. When we talk about the person or thing for the first time, we use a or an. Now let's go to the second point. Go through these examples. 12 inches make a foot. Please wait a minute. Would you like a cup of tea? Can you give me an example? In these examples, we are using a and an to mean only one thing or one object or one unit. A foot means 1 foot. A minute means 1 minute. A cup means 1 cup. A cup of tea. An example means 1 example. So you are asked to give only 1 example. Therefore, our second point is we use a or an in the sense of one when we talk about only one thing or unit. Now let's go through the examples to get our third point. Shobha is a clever girl. This is a useful CD. Clever and useful are qualities. In the first sentence, we are talking about a girl named Shobha who is clever. So what kind of a girl is Shobha? A clever girl. In the second sentence, we are talking about a CD which is useful. So what kind of a CD is this? This is a useful CD. So here we get our third point, that is, we use a or an to say what kind of thing or person, something or somebody is. Now here are the examples through which we will get our fourth point. My sister is a doctor. He is a farmer. She is an engineer. Doctor, farmer, engineer. What are these? These are jobs or occupations. Therefore, we use a or an to say what somebody's job or occupation is. We cannot say my sister is the doctor because she is not the only doctor, but she is one among all the doctors. The next examples. Can I have a banana, mummy? Would you like to see a film? They went in a car. I bought a book. In these sentences, a banana, a film, a car, a book means any banana or any film, any car or any book. We are not pointing out which banana or we are not naming the film or car or book. That means we are not clear about which one. Therefore, we use a or an when it is not clear which person or thing we mean. There is a note to tell us when to use A and when to use N. A is used before a consonant sound and N is used before a vowel sound. What we need to remember is the sound. Here it is mentioned about the sound, not the letter or the word. Examples of where we can use A: a cow, a house, a chair, a European, a unit. The word cow starts with consonant C. The word house starts with the consonant H. And the word chair starts with consonant C. And they produce consonant sounds. Therefore, we are using A. But European and unit, both these words start with vowel letters, but as they do not produce vowel sounds, we use the article A with the two words. Now let us go to the examples where we can apply N. An apple, an elephant, an inkpot, an owl, an umbrella, an honest, an R, an MA. Now see the words apple, elephant, inkpot, owl and umbrella. All these words start with vowel letters A, E, I, O, U respectively, and they produce vowel sounds. Therefore, we can use N with all these words. But the words honest, R and MA start with consonant letters, but as they do not produce consonant sounds, they can be used with N. In the word honest, H is silent. We don't say honest. In the word R, H is silent. We don't say hour. And the last example, though starts with a consonant letter M, we pronounce it as M-A. We don't say M. Therefore, we are using N with all these three words. Now let us learn the uses of the. We will learn the uses of the with the help of examples. The first example, this example was used earlier as well. A girl and a boy were standing there. The girl was smart and the boy was courageous. Here, in the first sentence, we are using A with the words girl and boy. In the second sentence, we are using the with both the words girl and boy. As while learning the uses of A and N, we got the idea that we use A or N when we talk about a person or thing for the first time. Therefore, if we mention the same person or thing again, we use the. So we get our first point. We use the when we mention the same person or thing again. Examples to learn the second use. Can I have the banana, Mummy? Would you like to see the film? He sold the car. The book is on the table. In these examples, the banana, the film, the car, the table mean that particular thing or that particular object. You are specifically mentioning which banana or which film you want to see, which car he sold, or on which table the book is kept. Therefore, the second point will be, we use the when it is clear from the context which person or thing we mean. Examples for the third point. The moon, the earth, the sky, the sun. We are using the with all these words. Now give me an answer. Is there more than one of its kind? No, there is only one moon, one earth, one sky and one sun. Therefore, we use the with the names which are the only one of their kind. Examples for the fourth point: the biggest, the most interesting, the first, the second. There might be many options, but out of all those options, there will be only one of the superior quality. Therefore, the biggest, the most interesting. There may be many things that will be interesting, but there will be only one most interesting. The first, only one first. The second, only one second. Therefore, the fourth point is we use the when we say which one of many we are talking about, or when there is only one of its kind. Now the last point: the Ganga, the Nile. These are the names of rivers. The Arabian Sea, name of a sea. The Atlantic Ocean, an ocean. The United States of America. The Himalayas. These are the plural places names. We are using the with the names of the rivers, seas, oceans and the plural places names. Therefore, our fifth point is we use the with the names of rivers, seas and oceans and plural places names. So here we come to the end of the video. Thank you.